Hello everybody. Today we will discuss about the numericals in case of the spherical mirrors, how we are able to solve the numericals. As we have already discussed about the image formation by spherical mirrors in our earlier sessions, lectures, so it is clear to us that what is the value of u, v, f, r and all the variables which we are using in the mirror formula and magnification. So let us apply these to solve the numericals today. Before that, let me tell you the format in which you will solve any numerical. When you will read the question, what are the steps you have to take care so that you can solve the numerical correctly. So first you write the format of solving numerical. Format of solving numerical. So what is the format? We will see the format, then we will apply that for solving the numerical based on the concave mirror and one for the convex mirror, so that you can apply it for the other questions also separately. Now for solving the format, you have to read the question. It seems that it is very easy, basic thing which I am telling, but when you will read the question, you will find the word. By that you will know that whether it is concave mirror or convex mirror, what type of mirror is being discussed. That's why I say. So when you will read the question, find which mirror is discussed. If it is concave, you write for concave mirror or convex mirror. First thing you have to do this. Okay. After this, you will draw the diagram. Draw diagram. When it is clear that it is concave or convex, immediately you have to draw the diagram of that. As you are aware that for concave mirror, you will draw principal axis, pole, C, center of curvature, F. All these on the left hand side and like this. Similarly, for case of the convex mirror, you are aware that how to draw the diagram. Immediately you will draw that and label it with the P, F and C. This much you have to be ready with that. Okay. Now next step. When you will read the question, you will find the numbers, numerical value of the variables. If it is given the object distance, image distance, focus, focal length, radius of curvature, magnification, whatever value is given, you write under the heading given, G-I-V-E-N, given, and you will use the variables used, U, V, F, R, M, whatever is given, you write is equal to this much, is equal to this much for each values of these variables. Okay. Then you will put the correct sign plus or minus based on the object, whether it is placed at which position by applying new Cartesian, as you are aware of the sign convention, in front of these values. Now you will write next step to find what you have to find. Under this heading you write the variable, which variable it is not given in the question, the unknown, you will write the variable, for example f is equal to what or u is equal to what, like that. Then you will use third point, formula used. Formula used. Which formula is used? How will you know? You will combine given plus to find. Both are combined. So all the variables of given and variable of to find, you will keep together and see which formula can be formed by using these variables. Generally, you will use this mirror formula. As you are aware, in case of the spherical mirrors, only mirror formula and magnification is there. So 1 by f is equal to 1 by u plus 1 by v. You will write this formula, or of magnification is equal to minus v by u or as dash by s, whatever is required. Then after that you will put the values, put the given values and then solve it for unknown, which is required to be solved. So like this, as you are doing in the mathematics, as physics is applied mathematics. So here we will read the question, convert it in terms of the variables use the correct formula, put the values and get the solution. Okay. So let us start for the concave mirror. All of you must write this format. In every numerical you have to do accordingly, then you will definitely get the correct solution. In maths also you can apply the same. If you are not applying yet, this format of solving the numerical. Okay. Now, if any small question is there, for example, for concave mirror, if it is given that how much is the focal length if radius of curvature is given. If radius is curvature is given how much? 30 centimeter. How much will be its focal length? Is equal to r by 2. You are aware that it is half, so it will become 15 centimeter. See, these are the basic small questions, that short questions you can easily solve for concave mirror. Similarly for convex mirror, so here one thing you have to make it clear that r is on the left hand side, so radius you will put minus sign here automatically by using the new Cartesian sign convention. So for the concave mirror, it is on the left hand side, we will put the minus sign in the given question of r. Similarly focal length we are calculating, automatically it will come as negative minus 15 cm, right? Okay, now let us see for the convex mirror. Similarly for convex mirror also, as you are aware, here inner part is shaded, so circle will form. This is on the right hand side, this is C, this is F. Here if it is given focal length is given, is it is on the right hand side. If focal length is given 10 centimeter and you have to find the radius of curvature, so what we will do, as F is on the right hand side, so it will be positive, so it is, we will put plus sign in front of the given question value of the 10, and similarly r will be found by the formula. What is the value of r? 2 times focal length, double of the focal length, so this will become 2 into 10 cm, which is equal to 20 cm, as it is clear from the diagram also, which is on the right hand side. Value of r and f will be always positive. Okay, so these are the basic very small question. Now let us see other question which I have written here. I will read it for you. You can write it so that you can understand which is given. Okay, and what you have to find in the question. So for an object, if an object is placed at a distance of 30 centimeter in front of a concave mirror, its image is formed at a distance of 20 cm. If the image is real, find the value of focal length of the mirror. So recall the format which I have given. You have to read the question and understand which mirror is being discussed. Concave mirror. So immediately you will draw concave mirror here. Okay. This concave mirror we are drawing here. Now you will label first of all C and F. Okay. Alright. So this is the, you can see here the diagram which is given for you. Now first thing, reading the question, drawing the diagram. Now we will see the given values. We will write the heading given, G-I-V-E-N, given. Under this heading, an object is placed at a distance of 30 centimeter. Object's distance is given. Which variable you will use? Small u, correct? Which is equal to 30 cm. And image is formed at a distance of 20 centimeter. What is the? That is small v is equal to 20 cm. Now, if the image is real, you know that when we have discussed already, for concave mirror, all position of the object up to 5 position up to focus, image was formed inverted and real. Okay, means image was also formed on the left hand side, and while on the last case when the object was between F and P, the image was virtual and red behind the mirror. But here in this question what is given? Image is real, means it is on the left hand side. So we will put minus sign in case of the object distance. Object is always placed on the left side, you are aware, So minus sign we will automatically put, and minus for the image also. Clear? Okay. Now this is under the given, and what you have to find under the heading to find. To find we will write small f, which you have to find its focal length, which is asked in the question. Right? Now what we say in the format what we have read, the formula used. Formula used, which formula used? Formula used is 1 by f is equal to 1 by u plus 1 by v. Mirror formula. This is mirror formula. You are aware of it. So we will put the values here. So 1 by f will be equal to 1 by u is how much? Minus 30 cm plus 1 by v is how much? Minus 20 cm. And you solve in the mathematics as you are doing equations. So here 1 by f will be equal to, you will take the LCM, and then you can easily solve it. So minus we are taking for example common, and 30 and 20 you are taking LCM. How much it is giving? 10, 3, 2, 6, 60. Okay. Now you will put the values here and solve it. So step by step you will solve, because the step marking will be there. Whatever step you are solving correctly, you will get the marks based on that in your exam. Okay. So you will solve 30. This one becomes how much? Minus 5 by 60. So focal length 1 by f here is equal to 1 by minus 60, and what is the value of focal length? Now we will do the reciprocal of this, is minus 60 by f, which comes to be divided, and we get the value here 12 centimeter as minus sign you will put here. So focal length is coming how much? Minus 12 centimeter. Now you see the diagram. Object distance is minus 30 centimeter, image distance is minus 20, and focal length is 12. So here this is the focus. Focal length is how much? Minus 12, means this is 12 minus 12 focal length. Okay. Now object is placed at 30 centimeter. Where will be the center of curvature? Double of the focal length. 12 to the 24. This is 24. And where is the image formed? Image is formed at minus 20. Means between C and F the image was formed. Here is the somewhere image, and object was at 30 centimeter. At 30 centimeter, this is the object here. So you can recall, when the object was placed at infinity and gradually it is moving towards the focus, and it is beyond C, image was formed between C and F. Okay, the same you can recall here and understand the equation. Here if it is also asked, for example, find the magnification. Magnification, how much time the size is the increased or decreased. So we can do like that also. So you will use the magnification formula. Magnification, that is m is equal to minus v by u, and you put the values. Minus v is how much? V is calculated minus 20. So minus here in the formula also, and minus 20 cm as the v upon u as minus 30 centimeter, and how much value you are getting here? 2 by 3 with the minus sign. All the you constant are cancelled here in variables. So magnification becomes this. So m comes out to be how much? Minus 2 by 3. Okay. So like that we will discuss about the convex mirror, numerical for that in our next lecture. Okay. Thank you very much. Practice question based on this concave mirror. Then we will discuss about the convex in the next one. Okay.